Hi everyone, and welcome to my space. My name is Jan, and if you would have told me a few years ago I'd be sitting here at the age of 42, nearing the end of my strategic brand communication degree at Vega Design School, I might have laughed, but here we are. It's the final semester, the final weeks of an amazing journey, challenging journey, but what an amazing experience. For over 20 years, my career has been rooted in sales. And right now, as a customer relationship manager in the Western Cape construction industry, but yes, there was always an itch and a very personal growth bucket list item. I wanted to get a degree and enrich my life. Moving to Cape Town in 2023, that was the change that had to happen. I chose strategic brand communication because I genuinely felt that this would be a perfect qualification to extend my already extensive sales experience and transform it into a more strategic and impactful career for future growth in my career. Looking back, a few modules that truly were game changing was brand communication. It really clarified what the degree was about. And consumer behavior, loved it. Consumer behavior really ripped the lid off why people act, why people buy, and really make decisions, which is gold for any sales profession. And then, of course, strategic brand communication. What an amazing journey. It's where you really learn how everything that you studied have really come together and holistically make sense why you are studying strategic brand communication. It taught me how to build, sustain, and protect a brand's most valuable assets. The assignments that truly stand out in a good way, um, I would rather say a challenging way, was brand activation and brand challenge. They were intense, really, really challenging. Suddenly, you're working with a group of very diverse people that you've never met, with massive workloads, tight deadlines. And what I've really learned was the invaluable not just execute strategy, but how you need to force yourself to work in a team, collaborate, and be a leader. Especially being online, it is been challenging. But what an amazing journey. Of course, it wasn't just all smooth sailing. What an incredible journey. Meeting amazing people, people that you've never met has become part of your family. Weekdays when you meet for classes, you feel that you're walking into a classroom with people that you've never met. You haven't ever even seen them, but they become part of your existence. But yes, has there been challenges through my time at Vega? Absolutely. Um, my final year, especially this last semester, has really thrown hurdles, personal and demanding hurdles in my life. One of the toughest was I lost my dad in August um, after a long cancer challenge. And this was right at the beginning when Brand Challenge started. Dealing with the grief and trying to focus on major assignments really was brutal and made me realize how we as humans are dependent on humans to help us through difficult times. On a day-to-day level, balancing a full-time job, classes after 5, and then working late into the night, over weekends, assignments, submission evenings on Fridays, it really requires serious dedication. But those late nights, that pressure, they proved that I have commitment, I have the discipline, and the sheer will to achieve any goal I set for myself. I didn't just grow personally, but really learning about people, new theories. I grew personally by improving and showing to myself the resistance, the resilience I've got as a person. On a day to day level, balancing a full-time job, class after 5, then working late into the nights, over weekends, assignments, submissions on Friday evenings. It really requires serious dedication. But those late nights, the pressure, they proved that I had the commitment, the discipline, and the sheer will to achieve my goals that I've set. I didn't just grow professionally, but by learning new theories and being able to apply what I've studied into my work career, my daily operations, what I need to do for work, it really there was huge growth personally. That just proved the resilience I've got when the fire really gets hot. Some of the most memorable moments are the people. The late nights, doing research, being on team calls, it really shows after everyone is tired, long days, doing your career, your day-to-days, team members that's got children, and how supportive the interaction has been through the Vega community. Not just from the Vega side, but the actual students coming together and supporting each other. I've had an amazing team with Brand Challenge. Was it an easy journey? Absolutely not. We are people, we've got different opinions, different viewpoints, but that is the beauty of Vega. It forces you to challenge yourself, to become part of something so unfamiliar and making it work. And then honestly, the feeling of submitting an assignment, what a journey. Knowing you gave absolutely everything to make sure what you've submit is the best that you could probably present. And those moments are truly memorable. So what's next? This Vega qualification isn't just a piece of paper. It's a personal stepping stone for myself that I've set to grow in my career, and especially when it comes to sales. One has to continuously enrich yourself with knowledge, education, and being in the construction industry, it's forever changing. So you need to apply new tools, and that was the goal for studying with Vega. So yes, Vega didn't just taught me communication, working in teams, having late nights with lots of assignments. It has really given me the framework to start thinking critically, strategically, holistically, at how people think, operate, and you can incorporate that into your marketing plans. It has transformed me as a sales guy into a more strategic brand builder. To anyone that's considering a big change or chasing that degree later in life, it's challenging, but it's 100% worth it. Thank you for following my journey. I'm excited to see what's coming next. Have a great time. Thank you, Carol Ann.